this is Liz. Welcome to Fabric Friday. I'm clothes making at the moment, and I used to have a dress similar to this, but I bought one a few years ago and it's very comfortable, it was, but it got old, it got ripped, and so I couldn't wear it again, and I want another one. I've not got a pattern for one, so I thought I'll try it out on this old, well not old, on this cotton bedding that I was given, just to see how it goes. And I can wear it for knocking around the house, which is the majority that I do anyway. But it's all shirring elastic around the top, and I'm going to put a couple of thin straps on, and it's a maxi dress. Just got to tear it up and put the straps on, and it's wearable then. But I thought I'd show you how to use shirring elastic. Shirring elastic normally comes on a reel like this. There's about 20 metres on here, and I have ordered some more because I'm going to do different tops and that, the shirring method, because it's very easy, not necessarily quick, but it is very easy. You sew with normal thread on the top, and it should match whatever you're making. In my case it was this cotton bedding, so I just used a simple white, and you put the elastic, see how stretchy it is, on a bobbin. And to do this you don't use your machine, because it'll stretch the elastic as it goes through, so it just doesn't come out right at all. Let me have a go like this because I can't see the hole. It shows you how bad my eyes are. Right, as you would normally when you're threading a bobbin, tidy up the end so you've got a nice cut bit to use. Choose a hole and put it through the hole. Well, there it is. Pull some of your elastic off, hold on to the end that you've just put through, and start winding it round on your bobbin. You don't want it tight, just let it run through your hands. Don't hold it tight or you'll put tension on the elastic instead of your machine doing it. So you can see it's coming on, and when the bobbin is as full as you want it, or as full as it normally gets when you're sewing anything, then cut it off. So there's my bobbin threaded up with the elastic. We'll now put it in the machine. I'll show you on a top loader, which my simplicity is. So let's bring you around to it now. Right, you know how your machine wants the bobbin threading, so drop your spool in, hold on to it with a finger just to keep it tight, and then take the thread, the elastic thread, round all the loops as you would normally thread up. If, like me, you've got a cutter on here that will cut your bobbin thread when you put your bobbin in, don't put it through there because it'll just ping back into your machine. So hold on to your bobbin, let the thread go loose, drop your foot, your needle rather, pick it up again, and pull it through, and there is your shirring elastic on the top, so you can replace your cover now. Now let's find a dark fabric, just a moment. I've got some dark fabric now so you can see better, because the elastic is white and me top thread is white. So you drop your foot as you would normally do. I drop my needle, increase your stitch length to about 3.5, 4, whichever you think your machine prefers. So try it out first. And you want a straight stitch, and just let the feed dogs do the work. And when you've got over the bit you want, take it out, pull, but pull it further than you would normally do, because that elastic will just ping back in the machine. So when you pulled it, take it close so that it doesn't ping back, and then my thread tails for the next line. And this is the first line of stitches, and there's the elastic on the back. So when we do a second line, however far apart you want them spaced, whether it be half an inch, inch and a half, doesn't matter. You get that space where you want it. Drop your foot again, take a couple of stitches, that's it, and then just keep straightening out this in front. There you are, just done that, so straighten out a bit more. Again, long thread, take it back, cut your tails off. Oops, and there's my top thread still not cut. And here is my second line of stitching with the elastic on the back. And because I'm using a wide thread, you can actually see it, and it doesn't look, the stitches don't look brilliant there because it's gathered up, but when you pull it out you can see the stitches are right. So we'll do a third line now. Drop your needle, couple of stitches, straighten it out. You might need to just hold behind your needle, and I'm doing these a bit closer to my previous line. up. Long tails. Got close. And you can see how much it pulls it in, the elastic does. But when you stretch it out, you can see your stitches are there fine. And your elastic is at the back, pulling it all in. You may have to fiddle with the tension slightly, but that's how easy it is with shearing elastic. And you can do as many lines as you need, and there's no darts, no nothing for a dress, because it just goes in nicely. Thank you. Bye.